One QR code, 3.2 million app visitors, 1.3 million signups. Fetch didn't just run a Super Bowl ad. They ran a masterclass in conversion. And the best part? You don't need a Super Bowl budget to pull off something just as powerful. Hey, I'm Zoe from AppsFlyer, and in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how Fetch made it happen and how you can turn any QR code into a growth engine for your app. Let's get into it. So, what makes QR codes such a game changer for app growth? They create seamless user journeys, especially when powered by deep linking. See it, scan it, download. They meet users wherever they are: TV, online, packaging, and in-store. Instant access anywhere. And they're basically free. No extra budget, just smart placement. Fetch didn't just slap on a QR code. They built an experience around it. And it worked. 81% of people who scanned installed the app. That's a conversion rate you can't ignore. Here's how they did it, and how you can too. Fetch offered a $1.2 million giveaway with one simple CTA: scan to win. Here's a tip: make your offer worth it. For a shopping app, think exclusive discounts. Gaming app, bonus rewards. Every scan led straight to the right place inside the app, thanks to deferred deep linking. No friction, no dead ends. Fetch measured every scan, install, and post-install action and tweaked their campaign in real time to boost performance. So, let's look at 5 ways you can use QR codes to drive app installs and increase engagement. Let's start with strategy number 1, moving users from your website to your app. Many brands get tons of traffic to their website on desktop or mobile, but here's the thing: mobile app users are more engaged, spend more, and drive higher revenue. The goal? Move users from web to app, and fast. QR codes make this easy. Starbucks encourages users to download their mobile app by displaying QR codes on their website, allowing customers to quickly access the app for ordering, rewards, and payments. Users scan, and boom, they're taken to the App Store, or straight into the app if it's already installed. Even a simple banner with a QR code on your login page or checkout screen can nudge users towards the app. No complex tech or budget needed. And with AppsFlyer's deep linking, every user lands exactly where they should inside the app. No friction, higher conversions. Now let's explore another use case: driving from in-store engagement to in-app action. Your customers are already engaging with your products in-store, so why stop there? Retail giants like Adidas and H&M place QR codes in fitting rooms, on price tags, and at checkout to offer exclusive discounts, product reviews, and styling inspiration. Scan to see how to wear it. Scan to check stock. Scan to save. When QR codes add real value in the moment, they don't just drive installs, they drive loyalty. Now let's take it outside the store to out-of-home advertising. Billboards and subway ads are great for awareness, but they need a next step. QR codes flip passive views into measurable conversions. Travel brands like Agoda use QR codes in airports and hotels to drive last-minute bookings. The key? Timing and placement. Hit users when they're ready to act. And if full billboards are out of reach, think posters in partner stores, coffee shops, or gyms. Local out-of-home that hits close to your target audience. And by using a mobile measurement partner, you'll know exactly where those scans came from, so you can double down on what's working. Getting the install is one thing. Keeping users engaged? That's the real win. Fetch's campaign wasn't just about the first scan. It was about long-term growth. Here's another example. Albertsons prints QR codes on receipts and packaging to unlock rewards, reorder products, and keep customers in their app ecosystem. Even if you're a smaller brand, think digital receipts, email confirmations, or even printed QR codes inside delivery boxes. Loyalty isn't just for the big players. It's about giving users a reason to come back, right at the moment of purchase. Your best marketing? Your users. But clunky referral programs kill momentum. Apps like Cash App make referrals effortless by embedding personal QR codes right inside the app. Every user gets their own unique code they can share instantly. No copy and paste, no extra steps. Here's how it works. Open the Cash App, tap Invite Friends, and boom, your QR code pops up. Friends can scan it with their phone camera, and they're taken straight to download the app. Once they sign up, you both get rewarded. It's simple, visual, and fast, which keeps the momentum going and drives new installs. And with the right deep linking and attribution setup, you can measure exactly which users and QR codes are driving growth, so you know where to double down. QR codes aren't a gimmick. They're a direct path to more installs, higher engagement, and revenue. And when you combine them with deep linking and attribution, no friction, more conversions, measurable results. Here's the playbook. Make it easy, make it valuable, measure everything. Now, the ball's in your court. Which QR strategy are you testing first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want more game-changing strategies for mobile growth, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.